Board replacement 023. Open the lock with a working key. Push the control compartment door for the handle. Turn off the automatic button on the power unit. Turn off the power cable at the back of the machine. Unscrew the nut and remove the door stopper. Maximally push the door on us. Disconnect all connectors from the power unit. Unscrew the earth nut using a 7mm spanner and remove the earth wire. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screw securing the power unit. Remove the power unit from the machine. F023. Unscrew the screw fixing the board to the power block. Disconnect all connectors from the board. Dismantle the board from the plastic racks using pilers. Make the replacement of the board 023. Fix it on the racks. Connect the connectors to the board. Tighten the screw fixing the board. Install the power unit in the vending machine. Screw the ground wire. Fix the power unit. Connect the connectors to the power unit in accordance with the purpose. Slide the control compartment door before fixing the stopper and install it in place, fixing the nut. Connect the power cable at the back of the machine. Turn on the vending machine using the button. When the machine is being loaded, check on the display that the latest software versions are installed on the cards and update the settings of the vending machine. Push the control compartment door to the stop. Remove the handle and close the vending machine with a working key.